Welcome to week 21, assignment 1. Basically what we will be doing in assignment 1 is we are going to take last week's PowerPoint and we are going to add 2 animations to it, to each slide. If you've already done animations, you can just resubmit it, but the difference between an animation and a transition is that on an animation, it makes something on the slide do something. Makes it turn, fade, disappear, window effects. It has to be something on the slide has to move or do something, not in between the slides. A transition is in between slide 1 and slide 2, or any 2 slides. You make it do something different. That is not what we're working on this week. This week we are working on animations. So you need to have 2 animations on last week's lesson or assignment 2, the landform PowerPoint. And if you go to, if you're on here, if you go to, there is a video for the downloaded version and there's a video for the web version. So whichever one you need to do, please do and submit it, and I will, if you have any problems or questions, please message me, and if not, I hope to see you soon.